Well, let's try it again, guys. Let's try it again. It's the power hour. Ladies, it is the power hour. Let's see if we can pass this account today. Thursday's always my lucky day. Lucky day. So, let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Jayhan, what's going on, kid? Let's see if we can pass this account today. Let's see. Okay, all right. Where we at? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little off. I'm right there. Let's see what the 15-minute is looking like. It's just consolidation right now. 5-minute, still not good. Oh, these freaking scammers, I swear to God. 5 minutes, still not looking good. 1 minute is, We shall see if we can get some kind of action today. Thinking about bumping my contracts a little bit more. Maybe to 3. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens in the power hour. Damn scammers. Scammers don't know when to quit, guys. They don't know when to quit. Peace out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm really tempted on bumping my contracts, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna stay where I'm at right now and see what happens. But for now, I think I'm gonna put a limit order right there because it's past this breakout, consolidation breakout, whatever you want to call it, and then all this right here. So let's wait and see if it shoots up there. Yeah, this morning I did pretty bad. I lost well, the account starts at 48,000 and I'm up 600, but I lost some money. I lost 600 because of the intraday thing. This is a Bullinox account and Bullinox is intraday, so but we'll see if we can get it back right now. Bench trucking, what is going on, bench trucking? I forward all my scammers to you. No wonder I'm getting all these calls. Raul, what's up, loco? Is trucking gonna go back to normal? Yeah, it is. I believe trucking's gonna get even better, but it's just a matter of time. We have to give it time. You know, it's not gonna happen overnight. Trump is just, he's trying to fix a lot of things that were not left in good terms, you know, so that looks like a long to me, but hold on, guys. Yeah, all that stuff that they're feeding us in the media, it's all crap. Stuff that's going on here in California, it's all these politicians, you know, they're gonna do everything they can to go against Trump and make his plan look like crap. But if you use common sense, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. God think that's a long, guys. I think that's a long. I mean, I don't think. Don't trade what you think. Trade what you see. Remember that. If you trade what you think, you're going to blow your account. See, body on the bottom, long wick at the top. That only tells me the market is going to reverse. Whichever way it's going to reverse. But if you look at the trend is pretty much on the downside. Okay? But if you want to get a better look at the market, go to a higher time frame and look at the higher time frame. It's a dump. It's a dump. Look at the 5 minute. It's a dump. But if you look at the 1 minute, the 1 minute just gives you some mixed signals because it's got a whole lot going on. So I like trading on the higher time frames. I like trading on the 5 minute. That's my thing, the 5 minute. I'm trading on the 1 minute just entertainment purposes. That's all it is, you know. But my time frame is the 5 minute. That's how I trade. I'm working in the Long Beach ports with okay, good stuff, Raul. Get your money, man. Get your money, especially with the 1099. Get your money, man. Work that freaking truck till the sucker just doesn't run no more and they have to give you another one. Just run that son of a biscuit. I've made some pretty good money working off the ports. I'm not allowed to work in the ports no more. Not by the ports, believe me, the ports love me in there and everybody that I work for, but I'm prohibited from working in the ports from the wife because she knows I won't get out of the truck. I'll just keep working like a freaking crazy man. Because everybody and their mothers in the ports has work, you know, so I'll call everybody and their mothers when I don't have a load and I'll go get me another can. Yeah, that looks like a long again. See, this is my thing. It's trying to break out of this consolidation right here. All this consolidation is trying to break through. If it breaks through, then it's got this, and then it's got this to break through. And mine's is on the top of this breakout. Consolidation. So, but right now it's struggling. It's struggling to get through all of this right here. But we shall see. We shall see how this works out. Yeah, intraday accounts, guys, they're always a little harder, but if you can come up with a strategy, if you can study a strategy, if you can back test it, it'll be fine. There it goes, guys. There it goes. There it goes. It's a pop. It is a pop. Look at that. What's a good strategy? I've been playing with a few, but not stuck to any yet. Past 2 evaluations with 8 packs this week. Hell yeah, that's right. Homage 213. I'll call you 213. But God, why do you guys come up with these freaking tongue twisting titles for your names on YouTube? 213. Hell yeah, that's good. That's good. The strategy that works, that is solid for me, is Scarface. Scarface trades. Look up his strategy. It's this right here. So you go to the 1 minute and any opening, which is the 6:30, the power hour, which is 12, the 5 o'clock, which is Japanese market, and the 8 o'clock, all PM, 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, so this is a strategy. It's the 5 minute candle. So you go on the 1 minute and you go 4 candles over, which would be 12:30, 12:31, 12:32, 12:33, and 12:34. So you mark the bottom of the longest candle or wick from them 5 candles, and then the top of the wick or the body of the longest candle. It could be, the longest candle could be 1232, right? So you mark the top and the bottom, right? So what you want is for it to break out of the bottom and then come back and test and then go back down. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm in this trade. Let's see what it does. And again, this is an intraday trade, so you gotta trade your stop, because it's an intraday trade. They're gonna deduct your money when you're losing money. So you gotta stay on top of this trade. Stop loss are great. Don't forget to put your stop loss. I don't practice what I preach when it comes to stop losses, but I'm telling you guys need to put some stop losses. Here we go. Good. So I'm going to trail it. I'm just going to trail it. That's it. Here we go. If it stomps me out. Look, 860. So I'm still good. I believe that's still a long. So anyways, 213, that's the strategy. It is solid. It breaks, comes back and retests. Once it comes back and retests, that's when you get on a long. Same thing down here. It breaks, retests. Once it starts going back short, you get in a short. And it's a winning trade. It is a winning trade. Does it happen every day? For the last maybe 3 weeks. Out of them 3 weeks, I think it didn't happen maybe 5 times. Monday through Friday. So it's a solid strategy, 213. Check it out. Go check out his channel. I've explained it on some of my channels as well. But it's a solid strategy. And the thing is, if it doesn't happen, don't get in a trade. Don't worry about getting into a trade. The thing is just to stick to that strategy. The rest of the stuff that you think you should get into, no. If you don't know for a fact that that's a strategy of yours, don't get into a trade. But 213, I'll give you a little insight of what I preach it all the time. All the time. Like for instance, this one. The body built on the bottom, the wick is long at the top. And look what it did. It went down. So if it was reversed, let me see. Let's see if I can find one. Like here, right here. Body on the top, wick on the bottom. And look, it consolidated, then it popped. That's what I look for. I look for them candles, and it's a good indication for me that that's the way the market's gonna go. Like right now, this candle right here is telling me it's undecided. This candle's telling me it's undecided. And the way this one's building, same thing, it's undecided. Yeah, it's coming down, but it still doesn't give me an indication of which way the market's gonna go down, So that stuff, I just leave it alone. But it looks like it's just gonna cover this gap right here on this candle. Let's see, let's go to the 5 minute. You see the 5 minute? Body on the bottom, wick at the top. That's telling me it's gonna come down. But does it happen? No. The market's gonna do what the market wants to do. But I see that pattern a lot, and I look for them candles all the time. Let's see how. Yeah, that's good though. 213 Apex. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. The prop firms I like to trade is funding Bullinox and funding ticks. I like trading them them two accounts. I mean, them two prop firms. Apex, I just hear some crazy stuff. I guess their rules are kind of over the top, and it's, people are just trading every which way they want, and they're not getting their payouts. I'm not saying it's Top Step's fault. That's not what I'm saying. It's just people are not following the rules, and that's why they're not getting their payouts. But Bullinox, I mean, I like Bullinox because you can trade seven contracts, 7 minis. It's pretty much kickback with Bullinox, especially in the evaluation. You can trade news, you can trade everything, right? I don't think you can. Well, you might be able to do a trade overnight, leave a trade overnight. I think you could. I'm not too sure. But, I mean, 7 contracts. You can pass your evaluation in the first day. I mean, it's not that bad like the rest of like most of the prop firms, Some prop firms want you to trade 2 days, 3 days, like Funding Ticks. Funding Ticks wants you to trade 3 days to pass your evaluation. After that, they want you to trade 5 days to get a payout, which that part I like, the 5-day payout. Bullinox has got a 10-day payout. But I just like their non-rules that they have, which they're laid back and they're good for traders, Yeah, try it out, 213. It's golden. It is golden. I look for two strategies every day at 6:30 a.m. power hour, at 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. 5 p.m. and 8 p.m. I'll only look at the chart for an hour. That's it. After the hour, if one of my strategies doesn't come about, I shut it down and I'm just waiting for the next day. But I just look for 2 strategies to come about, and one of the strategies is scar faces. Hold on, guys. All right, I'm back. Yeah, so what was I saying? My strategies. I look for 2 strategies every day, and them are my strategies. Pizza's here. No, it's... Oh, man. These packages arriving to the house. If it wasn't for wives, daughters, girlfriends, these guys would not have a job, that's for sure. CBQ for life. Happy holidays, Vic. Happy holidays. Thanks for being in the neighborhood, all you guys. Appreciate you guys. But yeah, the main thing about trading that I've learned, it's not how many indicators you have. It's not about how many VWAPs you have and, all this stuff on your chart. It's to me, okay? It's just me, my opinion. It's not about that. It's about simplifying your chart and looking for that one strategy to come about. That's it. Look, if you have a EMA, a VWAP, and all these other indicators, right? You are looking at too much. You are waiting for something to come about, and then you're looking at your EMA, then you're looking at your VWAP. and then you're trying to wait for the strategy to come about. That is way too much for you to be looking at. You know, you, I, me personally, I don't need no lines. This is all I need. Is this box right here. That's all I need. Is that box right there. Okay, if it breaks out of that box, comes back and retests and comes back down, I'm in a trade. That's it, and I'm doing one more trade. But other than that, that's all I'm looking for, and it works. It works, but it works for me. You know, I'm not knocking anybody that uses lines and indicators. I'm not knocking anybody, but it just works for me. That's the way I like to trade. Just simplify it as simple as possible for myself. The lingo, I'm still trying to catch up to the lingo. You know, I see YouTube videos and I hear these guys, calling out indicators and calling this move that, and I'm like, what the hell? What the hell is that? All I see is up, down, sideways. That's all I see. That's it. I mean, you want to put a name to it, more power to you. But I'm just trying to simplify it as much as possible for myself. That's all I'm trying to do. MB Trucker, let's go print some money. That's right. For life. This is Donovan. What Donovan? A Steeler fan? I use no indicators. Good stuff, MB Trucker. C2BCU for life. What the Donovan, is that you, Steeler? I think that's that Steeler fan. That's my buddy right there, my buddy. Ah, shucks. Yeah, we didn't do too good this morning. I think I lost 2 trades this morning. But I wanted to see if I could just pass this account today. Yeah, I can put more contracts and pass it. But I just want to put out more videos on not putting so much contracts on there, because most of the prop firms don't let you trade 5 contracts. What is it, 2, 3 contracts that they let you guys trade. So I'm trying it myself if we can pass this account with just 2 contracts. Man, these damn scammers. Who the who's the one that forwarded all these scammers to me? God darn it. You know what, let me turn this ringer off. I definitely like your setup. Appreciate that. Yeah, but like I said, that's just me, If everything else works for you, that's really good. My thing is, you be profitable. Don't worry about what I'm saying. Don't take my word as gold, because it's not. I'm trying to learn just like the rest of you guys are. I just have a strategy, that's all. And you guys are trying to pick up on a strategy, But I'm trying to learn this stuff as you guys are. Do I have more discipline than you guys? Maybe. Oh man, I missed it. Son of a biscuit, I missed it. It's alright. You know what? Going at the flaps, I missed my freaking trade. It's alright. It's okay. So I'm going to put a limit order up there, bypassing this breakout, and then kind of like the middle of this consolidation right here. Let's see if we get it. Yeah, guys, but bullet knocks and funding ticks, them are the prop firms that I like to trade. I mean, oh yeah, funding ticks is the same discount code in case you guys want to go get one. Funding ticks is the same thing. Let's see, 15-minute. Yeah, 15 minutes, just a whole bunch of wicks. Whole bunch of wicks. 5 minutes. I mean, you can come down and cover this. Oh yeah, look at 1, 2, 3. 3 hits, 3 hits. So, oh shucks. Did I miss it again? Yep, I missed it. Son of a biscuit. Well, it came down. It came down. So remember that 1250 candle is gonna pop too, and yeah, it's gonna act like it's on PCP or something. So keep that in mind. 1250 is a crazy candle. I guess we can take that limit order off now. And just a reminder, guys, if you're not trading with Top Step, remember this is Top Step's chart. So I don't know, but it's gonna be the beginning of next year where no prop firms are gonna be eligible to trade on this platform. Project X is owned by Top Step, even though they don't want to admit it. But the only prop firm you're going to be able to trade this chart with is going to be Top Step. So if you're not aware, you have been warned. Let's see what the 15 is doing. Nothing with the 15. The 5 is just consolidating from here to here. It's just nothing, guys. That's why the Scarface strategy is I mean, top notch. Because look, it can come down all the way down here just to break, and then retest, and then come and break again. That is some good money that you're gonna take on the retest. $213 trying to hit that Asian session too. Ooh, yeah, you're better than me, 213. I can only last an hour. In the Asian session, in the London session, I can only last an hour. I can catch the London session at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'll do pretty good. But other than that, yeah, it's hard for me. I don't have the patience for it. And it doesn't, how can I tell you? I mean, it doesn't move like the New York session does, you know. It's kind of unpredictable at times. But London session, Asian session, I do gold, and I do good on gold. And I know a lot of people that can't do gold at all. So We shall see. Let's see what this dumpster is gonna look like. But yeah, who's asking me about trucking? Let's see who's asking me. Raul. Yeah, Raul is. It's just we gotta give this. We gotta give this time for it to transpire. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you guys see that it hit here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times. So you know what? I'm gonna go a little lower. Maybe there. Well, let me wait to see if this candle closes. It's got 13 seconds left. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see if it keeps dumping or if it's gonna pull back. Put a sell limit right there. Let's see what happens. It might just cover just this part right here, which is 27. Not bad. We'll see if it covers. If it keeps dumping, let's say 97, right? 97. If it keeps dumping. But right now, it's on Scarface break. Now it's coming up to retest. And now I want to see if it comes back down. Okay, if it breaks again. But we'll see. I mean, it's not really the retest. I mean, it did break. It could, I mean, it's kind of hard to call that one, but I really would like to see a longer break and a longer retest on the upside. But we'll see. We'll see how it turns out. And it's just a bunch of consolidation right there. Bunch of consolidation. It's trying to get past this stuff right here. And then you got this stuff over here. This whole thing is just a bunch of consolidation. From here to here. You see that? Same here. All right here. It's just been consolidating. Come on, man. Give us a freaking some kind of indication on which way you're going.
Order.
You gotta trail these guys. You gotta trail these. Stay in the green. Stay in the green. If it stops me out at $90, I'm okay with that. I am okay.
Order.
Good stuff. Look at that. Look at that. 945. I'm taking my money. I'm taking my money. Why? Because this is an intraday account. Bench Trucking says, hey Vic, I really appreciate what you do here. Gotta bounce. I'll catch the replay. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Be safe out there. Well, 945. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pass it today. My next one, I'm gonna put another buy limit order up here, right above that wick, and then this consolidation. Let's see if we go back up. Appreciate that, Nova. Appreciate that. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. Let's take that thing off already. We are nowhere near. We are nowhere near. Let's see. Let's see. 1245. 1245 kind of gets a little crazy as well. Wow. It's had too much coffee. Too much coffee. Yeah, I don't. Nova, in case you missed out, I don't put. I put no indicators. This is my indicator right here. Just the box. That's it. I use Scarface's trade, the 5-minute candle. That's all I use. I look for two strategies, and one of the strategies is Scarface trades. If you don't know him, look him up on YouTube. You'll see. He talks about this strategy all the time, and it's a good strategy. it's a profitable strategy. But yeah, there's two strategies that I look for, and one of them is that one. EMAs, VWAPs. I'm not saying they're wrong. I'm not. Again, I'm not. I know I sound like a tape recorder, but I just don't. If I can simplify the way I look at a chart, the better for me. You know, if I can find a strategy with a bunch of lines and a bunch of indicators on there, it's way better for me. Why? Because I'm focused on just one thing, just a strategy, to come about. Not if the candle is under the EMA, I can only go short. If it's above, I can only go long. You know, and vice versa with the other EMAs. VWAP, same concept. I don't want to look at any of that. I want to simplify my trade as much as possible. And this is the way I found how to simplify my trades. Just make it as simple as possible. I'm looking for strategies. I'm looking for one candle, and that's it. A candle with the long body and the wick on the top or on the bottom. Look at that candle. The candle's nice and healthy. It closed, but the wick is on the top, nice and long. That means the next candle is going to go down. I mean, you can find these candles everywhere when the market has reversed. And that's what I look for. Again, does it happen all the time? No, it doesn't happen all the time, but most of the time it does happen. When them candles form that way, that's the way it happens. So we got 9:45. 9:45. Boy, I hate to try to pass this account by tomorrow. I don't like trading Fridays, but we shall see. We shall see. And look, if you're a beginner, paper trade. Paper trade, paper trade, paper trade. For a month, 2 months, 3 months. It's not a race, guys. However long it takes you to get the hang of trading. Once you get the hang of paper trading, you're profitable paper trading. Then go get some kind of prop firm account. Like this one, for instance, like Bullinox. Bullinox always has cheap evaluations. This one cost me, I think it was $15. $15. Once you're profitable paper trading, get these evaluations, okay? You pass the first one, hey, that's good. Don't pat yourself on the back yet. Second, third, fourth. Once you pass your fourth one, back to back, all right? Back to back. Then you can pat yourself, okay? Then go for the fifth one. Do it again just to make sure that you got it down packed. Once you pass that fifth account, go fund your account. You can go with Bullinox. You can go with, whoever you want to go with, and just fund your account, and then you'll be profitable that way. But there goes the 1250 candle. Look at that thing. Bzzzt. That thing got double espresso in it. Well, I'm glad it didn't hit me. Holy shucks. Look at that. Yeah, that thing went berserks. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Pass a few of these evaluations after you're good with paper trading. Go get your subscription with TradingView. Do it for 2-3 months. Once you're in the green every day paper trading, go get you an evaluation. Pass 4 or 5 evaluations back to back. Once you can pass them back to back, it's time to get a funded account. And then I guarantee you, you'll go into the funded part and you'll be profitable. You will not blow that account. Oh wow, it's a dump fish. It is a dump fish. Here we come, here we come. Alright. Alright. There's the break. Now let's come back to the retest. Can we come back to the retest? See, I do two things. I can either get in on the retest. In other words, when it starts coming back to this bottom line, or when it comes up and then it starts coming back down again. But right now I'm just waiting for the retest. So I'm waiting for a long. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. Ooh, shuts. Oh. Now you're saying, get in. You know, it's a long. Get in. Look how healthy the candle is. No, you missed it. You missed it. Bottom line, you missed it. Look how much time there is on that candle. There's not much time left on that candle. There's no need for you to get into it. Look at that. If I would have got into it, wonk, wonk, wonk. So, alright, so I'm going to get, I think I'm going to put my, I'll put a set limit order right there. Hold on, guys, hold on. There we go.
Do we have coffee, viejo?
No.
Order.
We need coffee?
Yeah, just get one jar.
Banana too, right? We don't have no more bananas?
No, we don't have no more bananas.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Get out, Victor. Wow, my wife. My wife! It's my wife's fault. That was my wife's fault. Oh, shucks. Oh, she killed me. She killed me. Okay, but that is a short right there, guys. That is a short. Let me see. Let's see where's it going. Where's it going? Where's it going? Let's hurry up. Let's find us a spot. Okay. Alright, got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Wow, we were at 900. Look at that, guys. Son of a biscuit. Thanks a lot, wifey. Thanks a freaking lot. Somebody's got to take the downfall, right? I'm not going to do it. It wasn't my fault. It was her fault. That was my fault, guys. She's not trading. I am. Let's go to the hour. Let's see if I can get a better view of what in the heezy is going on in this market. Let's see. Okay, so we're here. We're here. Okay, if we pass 849, 849. Okay. All right. Got a better look at the market. Got a better look at the market. Okay. So we got the breakout. We have the breakout. Now let's see if we can go back up for the retest. For the retest, and then make some of this money that we just lost back, which was I don't know, we're at 900, so I don't know, 4 more hundred. Let's see if we can make this money back. So do you guys see what I mean? I mean, marking the low and the high of the previous day. I mean, for me, it doesn't do me any good when I can just go to a higher time frame and just look at where, you know, the gap is, or how low the market went the day before, what have you, you know. So a clean chart like this to me is something that simplifies it for me, and I can trade a little bit better. I can understand it a little bit better. Now the market looks like it just slowed down. Did it run out of juice already? Jesus Christ. Could it have happened that quick? That was it. That's all we got was this. That's it. Well, here, let me, okay, I go here. Set limit order up there, right above this breakout, came down, then it went up. And then above this consolidation, I guess we can call it, these three consolidated to the side, and then it dumped. So let's see if it comes back and retests this. Nova, impressive, thank you. A lot of streamers wouldn't even mention this. Learn paper trading first, pass evaluations, fund accounts last. I have zero knowledge about trading. I just want to learn. Oh, that's good. That's good, Nova. That's the best way that you can do it. You know, if you hear people say, don't paper trade, let it come out the other ear. But learn how to paper trade first. Learn it. Believe me. And again, don't think you're gonna learn this overnight, because it's not gonna happen overnight. Don't be so quick at trying to jump on evaluations, because you're gonna be like the rest of us, you know, buying evaluation after evaluation. Next thing you know, you're thousands of dollars paying for evaluations, you know. Yeah, they're cheap, but believe me, it adds up. It adds up. Even though these evaluations are cheap, it adds up. Alright, got the market gotten a kick in the butt, and now it's finally gonna go back to retest. We shall see. 28 seconds. Let's see what the 15 is doing. 15 has got 13 seconds left on that candle. Does not look like it's gonna retest anytime soon. Look at bottom, body, well, not anymore. Well, let's see if it retests. See if it comes back and retests. It's got momentum. It's got strength. Again, the other strategy I like using is the time on the candle. If it's under 20 seconds, I will move my limit order away from it, because I don't want to get filled if the candle is under 20 seconds. But wow, look at it. It's got strength. But I still don't want to get filled. It only has 3 seconds left. I'd rather get filled on.
Order.
There you go. Look at that. Oh, shucks. back up there. Just in case. Just in case. We're trailing it, guys. We're trailing it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
$600. There you go. $1,100 right there, guys. $1,100. Just trailing it. Why? Because it's an intraday account. Who was it? Who was it that was asking me for this strategy? Nova, right? Yeah, Nova. Look, you just seen it. Strategy just came through. So here's the break. There's the retest. Now we're gonna wait for the next break. We hit that break, we'll get back in there again. Somebody else was asking me for it. 213 was also asking me for that. So there you go. It's Nova, just simplify it for yourself as much as possible, and down the line, if you want to add EMAs, if you want to add lines, if you want to add VWAPs, more power to you. But first, understand the candles, the way they move, and once you get the hang of stuff, you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. That's the 5. So this is the time right here. Every time I switch time frames, you guys can look right here and it'll tell you what time frame I'm looking at. This is the 15 minute. 15 minutes is my Bible. It always tells me which way the market is going. Okay. I'm gonna go one more time, guys. I'm gonna go one more time. I'm gonna take it there. I'm gonna put a buy limit order above this breakout, above all this gibberish, and then this breakout right here. So, but look, broke, retest. Now it might be breaking again. So let me put a sell. I'm gonna put a sell down there just to make sure that it is breaking completely from the bottom of that 5-minute candle, and then we can take it probably all the way down here to 99, yeah. $213, you still in here? Homepage, homage 213, you still in here? I hope you're able to see that. That dude Scarface needs to get at me because I need to get paid because I'm promoting this freaking move so much. No, but his strategy is golden. There's another strategy. Yes, sir. Did you catch that move? Did you see that move? That's Scarface right there. That was Scarface strategy. Okay, we're 20 seconds. I'm gonna push this thing right up a little bit more because the timer on the candle doesn't have enough time for it to keep going that same direction, and I don't want to get filled yet. Yeah, let me move it back up. I don't want to get filled yet. 1 second left. I'd rather get filled on the next candle. Nope, it's hesitating. It's hesitating. So let me move it away a little bit. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna just take it up to the top of this. Take it to the top of that. And then right now, I can move it up while it's pumping and then trail my stop. Just trail it. I'm 200 in the green
Order
already.
filled.
So look at that, guys. 1,300 bucks. 1,300 bucks. Easy. All right. So it looks like it's got momentum. So I'm gonna put it on top of this and this. The breakout to the downside. It came up, went down. Came up, went down. So I'm gonna put it there. See what happens. This one down here, I think we're done with for now. Heard you walk through it, driving back to the yard. Good stuff, bro. Drive safe, drive safe. Don't look at the video, bro. Just hear my emotions. Yeah, son, basically, let's go. Yeah, 213. But yeah, this is that strategy is golden. It's golden. But let's see what we got left in the tank. I am pretty sure we're eventually gonna go back to the top of the 5 minute opening, the 12 o'clock, the power hour. So I'll be able to catch that. Let me see, what is that? 82. Yeah, it's pretty good money. Pretty good money. But again, I'm always looking at the timer. If it's getting close to my limit order, I'm always looking at the timer. If it's under 20 seconds, like you guys seen right now, I just pushed it away from getting filled. Because I don't want to get filled if the candle is under 20 seconds. Because it doesn't have enough time on that candle to keep going that same direction. Because the next candle might retrace, and now you just got to worry about it coming right back to where you took your profit at, when you want to have enough time on that candle for it to keep going the same direction. Like right now, I don't mind getting filled, so we still have enough time. 40 something seconds left. I don't mind getting filled. But again, look at the candle. If it's hesitating, if the body's building small, move it away. Like right now, it's just hesitating too much, so I'm gonna move it away. I'm gonna move it up just a little bit more. You guys see the time on the candles, 20 something seconds. I don't want to get filled there. It's okay if it filled where I had it. It's okay. 12 seconds left. I'm gonna move it away. I might get filled now.
Order.
We're filled. Okay, I'm gonna just take it to the top. I'm just gonna take it to the top of the 5 minute candle and see if we can get hit. And again, guys, we want to trail these trades. If it bypasses, I'll just push this up a little bit more and then grab my stop loss and just trail it. Why? Because it's an intraday trade.
Order filled.
Ah, shucks. It took me out because I didn't let go of the clicker. It's okay. It's all right. We're still 1,172 bucks in the green. We're still good, guys. We are still good. Here we go. This is the candle I like looking for. Body's building on the top. On the bottom. The wick is long on the top. That means it's going to be a short for now. It could be a small pullback. But it just depends. Look at that. That's telling me nothing. It's just consolidation. Same thing. This candle right here is undecided. So, and the 1 minute. The 1 minute is having trouble bypassing all this consolidation. Okay, so it's trying to make up its mind. Are we going to buy it for a higher price, or are we going to sell it for a lower price? That's all it's doing right now. It's just trying to make up its mind. But here, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go above the 5 minute candle and put a set limit order there. Ooh, 9 seconds. Let me move that up. I don't want to get filled with 9 seconds left on that candle. That is too close for comfort. Okay, it's hesitating, so I'm gonna move it up just a little bit more. I would have loved for it to just open and kept pushing up. So that's kind of telling me, okay, the market's getting weak. So get away from getting filled. That's what it's telling me. So I'm gonna push it a little bit further up because I don't want to get filled. 18 seconds left. That's not how much not how much time I want on a candle to get filled. 7 seconds left. I'm gonna move it up just in case it does one of them crazy just pops. I don't need that. Well, we gotta get, we're at 13, I believe. So we gotta get a couple hundred more so we can get back at 1300. Well, not a couple, just one. It's like 128. That's what I need to get back to 1300. So again, here's the wick on the bottom. Body's building on the top. That's telling me it's gonna go long. .48 seconds on that candle.
Order.
Okay, we're in. I'm gonna take it up to 5,000. I'm gonna take it up to 0, and then we'll see what we do after that. That's just not enough moolah for me. So again, trail your stops, guys. I mean, trail your trades. It doesn't matter if it's 50 bucks, 80 bucks. If you're doing a intraday account, trail that son of a biscuit. Alright, come on, buddy. Get your butt up there. Chop chop, son of a biscuit. Could that be a small pullback? We got plenty of room to cover on the top, but it's just getting up there. I'm not willing to lose more than 270 right now on this trade. It's teasing me to take me out.
Order.
Okay, it took 270 from me, guys. It took 270 from me. It's okay. I I was hoping that was the breakout, but it wasn't. It wasn't. So let's see now. Okay, so it broke. Now it's coming back to retest. Okay, so now I need 423 bucks to get back up to 1300. That should not be too hard. I was hoping the breakout would be a little longer, but it wasn't. It wasn't. I miscalculated it. Let's see. Okay, so here it is again, guys. Body built on the top, long wick at the bottom. That's telling me it's gonna go up. So if the wick is at the bottom and the body's at the top, that means it's a long. Vice versa, it means it's a short. Like this one, for instance, right here. Body built and closed on the bottom, and then the wick is on the top. That means it's a short. Yeah, this one right here, you can see it the same way, but again, the market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. But them are the patterns that I look. Do they always work? No. There's not a perfect trader. There's not a perfect person that can call these trades perfectly. It's not gonna be 100% all the time. But that's the stuff that I look for all the time. Yeah, but I really did not want to trade this Fridays, because Fridays is just not my day. Mondays and Fridays are not my days. I've tried every which way I could to try to trade them days and be profitable. And I've had profitable days, them 2 days, but the majority of the times I don't do too good. Why? I don't know. I just don't. Well, okay. So I'm gonna put a sell
Order.
No. What? It was a limit order, dude. Why did you give me in? I didn't do that. God damn it. I'm drunk off of water. I did not mean to put that trade in, guys. I did not mean to put that trade in. I was gonna put a limit order. For whatever reason, I pressed the wrong button.
Order filled.
I pressed the wrong button. Okay, so see, I was supposed to press this. I ended up pressing this, which I shouldn't have. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you got to break out here to the downside. Got to break out here, and then all this consolidation. And then this consolidation. So I'm gonna wait for it to come and fill me here, and we should have a nice trade down, maybe up
order
to
filled
there, up to there. Okay, I'm gonna go on top of this breakout right here. We should have a good push to the downside. What the hell? I've never seen it build like that. The candle way up there. I've never seen it. That's crazy. Also, I don't add to my trades. I don't take profit from my trades. I just stay on one contract. And I don't move that contract. Is it right? No. Is it wrong? No, it's not. That's just the way I trade. Is it the right way? The right way is gonna be your way. When you become profitable, that'll be your way. Because that's the way you trade. It's the way I trade. It doesn't mean it's the right way. It doesn't mean it's the wrong way either. It's just the way I trade. That's all it is. Okay, again, guys, stay green, stay green. Even if it's them $10 right there, stay green. It's an intraday account, guys. $70. I'll take the $70 and then I'll get right back into the trade. That's not a big deal for me. You guys see that? $70. It was we were at 7 something, now we're at 8.35. So green is green, guys. It's an intraday account. Trail your trade. Trail it. And you'll see. You'll be profitable. Because you took $70 instead of $400. Don't feel bad about that. All you have to do is get right back into the trade. That's all. And you'll be fine. $20 clear. $70. If I take that $70, I'm good. Yeah, I could close it out, but I'm hoping it keeps shooting down, and I'll just keep trailing it. Keep trailing it.
Order.
Look at that. $900, guys. $900. Come on, guys. And then guess what? Let's get back into the trade. Why? Because it's a push down. It's a push down. Why? Look at it. Passed all this. It passed all this. And right now we're hoping it just passes all this. And it comes and covers all this. Okay, so we're at 13. So I need $400. $400. Let's see if we can get that $400, guys. 1 second left. So the market closes at 2 o'clock, guys. No. Yeah, 2 o'clock. So, yeah, 24 seconds, 24 minutes before the market closes. So let's see if we can get this done. If we can get it done. 20 something seconds left. Don't want to get filled. Don't want to get filled. There's not enough time on that candle to get filled. Can you guys see that? 8 seconds left. Could we be going back up? That's just where where it has that big gap right there. That's weird for me to see. It's the kind of stuff that I'm like, whoa, what was all that about? How did that happen? Somebody skip a couple $1 million there or something? Okay, we got 20 something seconds left. I gotta move it away because, again, I don't want to get filled if it doesn't have enough time on the candle. Five seconds left. Let's see if we can get this pushed down right now, guys, and get this little $400. Am I trading Asia tonight? Again,
Order.
I'll just look at it. I'll look at it and see if my trade comes about. If not,
Order filled.
$20. I took $20. What the hell? I was at 900, right? I lost. Oh shucks. Okay. I guess I lost $15, $16. Okay. I'm gonna put a set limit order down here. Am I gonna go live 213? I don't think so. But I will look at it. I will look at it. I mean, I went live this morning, and I'm going live now. I've never done 2 lives in one day. My thing was just to pass this account today.
Order.
Did not want to get filled right there. Shucks. But, oh well. We're filled. We are filled. Screw it. It just didn't have enough time on that candle. Look at it, it's still building. That same candle's still building, which is not good for me, you know. And look at it, just
Order
popped.
filled.
It just popped. I'm back to 769. God darn it. That's not good, guys. That is not good. Alright, so let's see the performance. How do we do? Yeah, I need to call it, guys, because market is about to close. It's gonna take its break, so we good. 769. I mean, we did not do that bad. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Shucks, that was not good. 1300 was the spot, but worst trade $915. Best trade $954. Winning trade $267. Losing trade. Okay, we're at total direction 47%. Not bad. Not bad at all, guys. I mean, that's our total P&L for today, 769. We are gonna call it a day because again the market's about to close, and I just don't want to get caught up in a trade and lose my trade or whatever, you know. So hey, but I appreciate all you guys for being in the neighborhood, even though there was a handful of you guys. I hope you guys learned something from this. How often do I live trade? I think I do it maybe once a week, if not once every other week. But if you guys like this kind of way I trade, you know, let me know. You know, drop it in one of the comments on one of my videos, and I'll try to go live more often to help you guys out. And don't follow my trade, just hear me out, hear out my strategy, and then look at the chart yourself and see if it makes sense to you. You know, that's the best way to trade. If you're going to trade with somebody, listen to what that person is explaining to you, and if it makes sense and you're looking at the chart yourself, then go ahead and get in the trade with him. But if it doesn't make sense to you, do not get in the trade, you know, because we're all going to have losing trades. But if you don't see it, you shouldn't get in it. But just because you hear somebody else saying, okay, I'm looking at this, I'm going to do this. No, if you do not see it, if you don't understand the trade that he's telling you about, do not get in the trades. You have to understand the trade. If it makes sense to you, then jump on it. If it doesn't make sense, don't jump in that trade just because this person is telling you. We are not, when we place trades, it's not bulletproof. It's not bulletproof whatsoever. So, if you're in front of a chart and you're looking at the same trade that I am, and I think I explained myself good enough for you guys to understand what I'm looking at. If it makes sense to you guys, then jump in the trade. Don't just jump in the trade because I'm going long, even though I explained it to you, but you don't see it. You just jump in, and yeah, it might be a winning trade, but the next one might be a losing trade, and then you're like, oh man, what the? But that's what I'm saying. If you look at YouTube videos, if you look at whatever, you know, platform you're looking at, and they say I'm getting in this short, and you're looking at this chart yourself and it doesn't make sense to you, do not get in the trade. All right. Trade tomorrow morning. CPI coming out should move markets. Yeah. I'm gonna have to now because I really wanted to pass this account today, or and I really didn't want to trade tomorrow because it's Friday, but I guess I am gonna have to trade. Will I do it live? No, I'm not going to do it live because I have a load that delivers at 6:30 in the morning. So, but I will trade tomorrow. I'll post a video after I'm done. And, but I'll pass it. But let me show you what I'm talking about as far as grabbing accounts and passing the accounts, and not funding the accounts, just passing them. Look at, these are all past accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the one I'm working on right now. And that's all I do is just practice on them, and I don't fund them. All I do is just practice. Once I get the hang of it, then I'll fund one of the accounts. But other than that, I'm not going to fund it. All I'm doing is just practicing. So I'm going from one step to the next step and then to the next step. So on paper trading, trading evaluations, 4 to 5 times in a row. They have to be in a row. You have to pass them back to back. Not one, pass one, lost 2. Passed another one, lost 1. No, back to back. You got to pass them back to back. Once you pass them back to back, you're golden. You can go fund any account that you want, because why? You're going to bring that strategy, that mode that you have on the evaluation over to the funded part. I hope that makes sense to you guys. All right. Again, thank the handful of people that were here. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for being in the neighborhood. For the person that's trying to learn how to trade, I hope I was able to help you out. Just keep at it. 213, good luck on your trading journey. Keep at it. It pays out. All right, fellas. We'll see you guys